Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a remaining exercise of chapter number 2, uses of plants from your textbook. So my dear students, in our previous video we had done various exercises from this chapter. Now in this video we are going to do the question answer of this chapter. Students, here we are going to discuss about the question number E. Answer the following question. Questions are question number first, that is, name any 5 vegetables we eat. Mention the part of the plant eaten in each. So students, here you have to name any 5 vegetables that we eat and you have to mention the part of the plant eaten in each. The next one, what are cereals? How are they different from pulses? So students, here you have to write what are cereals, then you have to differentiate it from pulses. The next question, what are spices? Give 2 examples of spices. So students, here you have to write the definition of spices and then you have to give 2 examples of spices. The next question is, what are fibers? Name 2 plant fibers. So here you have to write the definition of fibers and then you have to name 2 plant fibers. Next question, give 2 uses of oil. So students, here you have to write any 2 uses of oil. So now students, I am going to discuss about the answer of these questions and I am going to tell how to write the answer of this question in your fair copy. So first of all, take out your notebook, pencil, eraser along with you. So let's start. Students, first of all, you have to mention the date, then you have to write chapter number 2, then the name of the chapter, that is uses of plants. After this, you have to mention the topic of question. Question number E. Answer the following question. Then you have to write question number 1. Name any 5 vegetables we eat. Mention the part of the plant eaten in each. So students, here you have to write question, then after you have to write the answer of this question. So to write the answer of this question, you have to make 2 columns. One column for vegetable and second column for part. So in vegetable column we are going to write 5 vegetables name and in part column we are going to write which part of the plant is eaten. Okay, so like first, potato. So students, potato is stem of the plant. So here in column of vegetable you have to write potato and in column of part you have to write stems. Then the next, roots, carrot, sorry, next one is carrot and carrot is root, so you have to write here roots. Then cabbage, so cabbage are leaves. Then cauliflower, cauliflower is a flower. Then groundnut, groundnut are seeds. Okay, so you have to write the answer like this. Then let's come to the question number 2. So students, first of all you have to write the question number 2, that is, what are cereals, how are they different from pulses? So students, here we are going to define cereals, and then we have to differentiate it from pulses. So the answer of this question is like this: food grains of grass like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat are known as cereals. Pulses are found inside pods while cereals are not found inside pods. So my dear students, here the difference between pulses and cereals are that pulses are found inside pods while cereals are not found inside pods. Okay. Now question number 3. What are spices? Give 2 example of spices. So students, here you have to define spices, then you have to give 2 example of spices. So the answer of this question is like this: spices is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark that gives flavor to food. Example: cardamom and black pepper. So students, this is the answer of question number 3. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. So first of all, you have to mention the question. What are fibers? Name 2 plant of fibers. So students, here you have to define fibers, then you have to give 2 example of fiber plant, or you have to name any 2 plant of fibers. So the answer for question number 4 is a thin thread like material are called fibers. So definition of fibers is a thin thread like material are called fibers. Example: cotton plant and jute plant. So students, these 2 plants are the example of fiber plant. Now let's move on to question number 5. Give 2 uses of oil. So students, here you have to write the 2 uses of oil. So students, what are the uses of oil? There are many uses of oil. So here you have to write serial number 1, then you have to write the first use, and serial number 2, then you have to write the second use of oil. So the first one is like this: oil is used for cooking food. So students, oil is used for cooking food. And the second one, oil is used to oiling our hair. So students, oil is used to oiling our hair. So I hope you understood how to write the answer of question in your notebook. Now students, you have to learn this question answer. Now students, the next question is complete the concept map given below. So students, here you have to complete the concept map that is given here. There are some missing letters given in this concept map. You have to complete this like I have done in this notebook. Plants give us following things. So students, you know very well plants give us many things. So here some things are given. You have to complete the spelling of that thing. The first one is fruits. So students, the spelling of fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Next, coffee and tea, then stems, then fibers, then wood. And in right side, vegetables, cereals and pulses, oil, medicines, paper, rubber and gum. Last, soaps, toothpaste and perfume. So students, you have to draw this concept map in your notebook, and you have to also fill this in your book also. Thank you students. Bye and take care.